You don't need weights to get strong. You don't need a gym to build power. Today, I'll show you a full strength training workout using calisthenics. Pure bodyweight, real strength, real results. First, warm up. Strength starts with preparation. Warm up your joints and muscles. Jumping jacks, 30 seconds. Arm circles and swings, 20 representatives. Bodyweight squats, 15 representatives. Strong people don't rush. They prepare. Okay, now we start a real. Full body calisthenics strength workout. Exercise 1 push-ups. Push-ups are the foundation of upper body strength. 4 sets 10 to 15 representatives. Slow representatives. Full control. Exercise 2 pike push-ups. This builds shoulder strength without weights. 3 sets 8 to 12 representatives. Exercise 3 bodyweight squats. Leg strength equals total body power. 4 sets 20 representatives. Exercise 4 split squats. Single leg work exposes weakness. Fix it. 3 sets 10 representatives each leg. Exercise 5 glute bridge. Strong glutes protect your lower back. 3 sets 15 representatives. Exercise 6 plank shoulder taps. Strength is control, not speed. 3 sets 20 taps. Exercise 7 chair dips. Calisthenics for triceps and pushing power. 3 sets 12 representatives. Air exercise 8 wall sit. This is mental strength training. 2 sets 45 to 60 seconds. Finish strong always. High knees, 30 seconds. Push-up hold, 20 seconds. After workout, cool down your body. Recovery is part of strength. Hamstring stretch. Chest and shoulder stretch. Remember, calisthenics doesn't just build muscle. It builds discipline. And discipline is real strength. If you want to master bodyweight strength, subscribe to JFit Hero. No gym, no excuses. Bonus tips for you. Train 3 to 5 days a week. Increase representatives slowly. Consistency wins. Your body is your equipment. Use it. Build real strength. And be strong.